Hello, students. Let us continue with our EVS lecture. In previous lessons, we have seen how countries, then states, districts are formed. Let us see how does a town form. In very old times, before man began farming, he lived a nomadic life. He was dependent on hunting animals and gathering fruits, roots, and bulbs for food. Later, man learned to grow crops. He began to settle where he found suitable land and water. People began to build houses in such places and settled there. They began to help each other in farming. Their houses were close by. Thus, settlements were formed. The settlements began to grow bigger. Many settlements merged together to form a village. People felt safer living in such settlements. As farming developed, people had to do different kinds of work. One person could not do all of them. So, work was divided between the people. For example, making wooden implements, repairing them, weaving clothes, making jewelry items, and making clay pots. Thus, there were artisans engaged in different occupations. Which historical buildings, monuments, objects, etc. are seen in your area? A village, town, or city has buildings such as temples, caves, mosques, churches, memorial forts, museums, etc. A place becomes known by these buildings. They tell us about the richness of the place. They help us to understand our history. These buildings are our treasure. They must be protected. To protect them is our responsibility. A place may also become famous because of religious places, fairs, or forts. For example, Raigad district is known for the Raigad fort. Now, who is this famous personality? Do you know? He is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. While returning from Surat, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj stopped near Talegaon, Dindori in Nasik district. He had set up his army camp or Tal there, giving the place the name Talegaon. Tal is the word in Marathi. Now, Dhamangaon Path in Ahmednagar district was so named because formerly there was an abundance of dhaman trees. Because of these trees, the town was named Dhamangao. Now, there is a village called Ashti Dhotar Zodyachi in Partur Taluka of Jalna. Fine dhotar zodis of excellent qualities were made there. This gave the village its name Ashti Dhotar Zodyachi. We will continue further lesson in next video.